China Composite Expo 2025. Let's go and have a check of each one. The first one is from, it's called, okay, Taitian, okay. What about that one? Ruifeng. So most of them are the national ones, the domestic ones, and let's go and see this one. Transom. I don't want to read every logo, and you can see it. If you want to know the details, you just can pause, and then you can get the company's information, and then you can Google it. And when I meet the logo, I can pause for a while, and you can have a focus like that. Hopefully it works for you. You know, I'm pretty exhausted after walking for a while here. Especially, there's a lot of big halls. It's pretty hard to cover everyone. That one is from Japan. You can see it clearly, the logo. Yeah, everyone tries his best to show the advantages and strengths of each corporation. It's the best platform to show, to promote, and to ink the contracts. And this is why the significance. This is the significance of a trade fair. What about this one? Wanli. There's an information counter. If you've got any puzzles, questions, you can come here, approach them, and they will give you the answers. Racing Future. Tori from South Korea. Now it's almost 10 a.m. More people are flocking here, and they can visit this fair until 5 p.m. So there's a lot of time ahead. There's a model of plane. It's a beautiful model. MFE. AVIC ACC. This is from Beijing, maybe. Normally this kind of national corporation is headquartered in the capital of Beijing, in Beijing. So you can see the logo. Tech Storm. The name is pretty good. ZGL. There's a bicycle. Maybe this kind of bicycle needs some composite materials. That is why it's being displayed here. Hybotech. Yeah, I'm just walking along the aisle, and we can see the cheap ones. Maybe I've missed some influential ones, but I don't have the time to cover everyone. Guys, I'm a volunteer here, I haven't got any bonuses from YouTube channel yet, and your support means a lot for me. If you are here, until the end of this video, I hope you can give me a like, even make a comment. Your comment and like matters greatly for me. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. I will see you guys later. Bye bye, everyone. China Composite Expo 2025. Let's go and have a gander, okay? Just briefly. I've made a lot of videos, guys. I'm a little bit hoarse right now. My voice is a little bit different. And I've been working so hard. If you're here, please subscribe to my channel. And you even can make a comment here if you are in this business line. I think it's pretty nice to know some exhibitors and products here. And let's go and check the first one. Look at the logo. Yeah, I told you I'm a little bit tired, so I just point out the logo, and you can search it on Google or DuckDuckGo. Okay, DuckDuckGo. That's a nice searching engine, I think. No trace, no any information can be found by anybody else. So it's a good one. Personally, I think it's very nice. And that one looks very international. I've seen this logo at many trade fairs, that one. I think you know that one. Let's hit the road. Wow, the flowers are beautiful. It's a big one. Real, they're real. Real flowers, pretty nice. Expo is quite spacious, very big. There's a lot of customers, and the free people, the non-professional ones, will never and ever come here because you have to register. And if you are not a professional one, you come here and you have nothing to do here, nothing better to do. So no matter what kind of business line you are in, you have to find the trade fair of your business line and business industry, and you can go to that trade fair, you can know the latest information and everything, and you can learn more. And this is my advice for you if you are a businessman, entrepreneur. Your competitors, your customers, your business partners, even your rivalries, everyone is there. Tianma Group. This is the first day of showing, and it seems it's a nice fair. A lot of people are coming. Very nice. Most of them are males. You see, this booth is filled with people. Tremendous. Very nice. Thailand Asia composite materials from Thailand. That one. I'm sorry, that one. Thailand. Oh, this one, yeah. There's a big screen. A logo. Of course, if you are interested in this fair, you can order a space for 2026 fair, and it's going to be much bigger in 2026. It's very nice. And it's going to be held in September too, in 2026. Yeah, I'm promoting this fair. This fair organizer doesn't pay me anything. They don't know me at all. So I'm a volunteer. It's pretty nice to, to do some good deeds. But nobody knows what I'm doing here. But the organizer, if the organizer knows this, they're pretty happy. Pretty appreciate it. But I'm a volunteer, guys. Your support matters a lot. Thank you very much. This is the end of the hall. I will see you guys later. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, everyone.